from the tomato base, we can do a lasagna. Okay, so now we'll just prepare the vegetables for the lasagna layers. I'll start with the zucchini. You can see that it's quite old. No, just cut and see whether how is it inside. So far looks okay. You can see it's still nice and fresh. Okay, if you don't like the skin, right, you can remove it. Essentially, you just want nice thin strips. For the aubergine or brinjal or eggplant, you can see it's still very good. You can also have other vegetables that you want to, like for example, here we got some leftover mushrooms. You can just slice it. Now we shall pan fry the vegetables, then later we'll layer it together before the lasagna.